Magandang araw! Ako si Faye in Canada and this is a week of my life living as a small business owner in Canada. I started my small business way back in 2020. It was pandemic on that time. I started with nothing, no customer, hanggang sa naging isa, dalawa, tatlo, and it multiplied more than what I can imagine. First step is always the hardest, and I'm so grateful for all my customers, our clients, my family who have supported me all the way, and especially my husband. Hindi nga pala naging madali ang journey natin as a small business owner. Maraming ups and downs, and be prepared for down times and slow times. Hindi lagi maraming benta. That's why I give myself enough time to reflect and take a moment to appreciate slow days. I started selling cosmetics and beauty products until I moved to importing items from the Philippines, or as known as Pabili Pasabay, Pinas to Canada, and international, importing to Canada. Along the way, marami nga pala akong natutunan to know who your market is, deal with the right customers, and the target market. Having a small business is a trial and error. That's why I give myself enough time and space to learn every day. Bukod nga pala sa pabili pasabay and selling cosmetics, I recently bought a Cricut machine to learn crafting. I do crafting occasionally. Isa din ito sa mga bagay na na-enjoy kong ginagawa. We do personalize mugs, decals, and again, as a beginner in the crafting business, takes time, effort, patience, and passion. I'm a very introvert person, kaya doing things alone is what I enjoy the most. Boring man yung life ko para sa iba, but for me, this is where I find rest, peace, comfort, and enjoyment. Ito na rin yung form of self-care ko. May mga times na stressing, but I'm also grateful that I get to learn this kind of crafting. And I thank you to all the clients who have supported me from all the way, from beginning up to now. Mahirap nga pala magsimula without knowledge, experience. Pero if you are a beginner like me, don't be afraid to fail. After doing personalized stickers, sinundo nga pala namin si Matthew dito. Matthew is my sister's-in-law's brother. And papunta na nga pala kami sa event na to. Ang event pala na attend namin ay baby shower and birthday celebration. Isa nga pala ito sa mga magandang araw na maituturing ko dahil it's an honor for me to attend event like this and also be extended to do personalized event decals or stickers. Tinulungan na nga pala ako ng sister-in-law ko dito, si Rons. Medyo mahirap nga palang magkabit pag ganito yung sitwasyon. Isa sa mga bagay na natutunan ko sa crafting is kailangan mo talaga ng 100% time effort. I so much enjoy the party tonight. And the next day, hubby and I have shipped the parcels that I packed. We get order from Instagram, from our website, and online platforms. Sometimes I get overwhelmed receiving too many messages, but busy is always good. Nung nagka-vacant time nga pala tayo, nag-drop by tayo sa isa sa mga malapit na milk tea along the way. Mga around 9 to 10 p.m. na nga pala ng gabi ito. And up next, I'm starting my week off with a life group day with Timothy 6. Ang life group day pala is a Bible study where we get to talk about life with God, fellowship with food and friends with our church family. And this sums up our week for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.